Welcome one and all to Imagination Exploration. We are proudly presenting our opening special of Disney Adventure World. Today is a historical day for Disneyland Paris, as the Walt Disney Studios Park transforms into Disney Adventure World. Let's take a look at the inauguration.
Okay, this is nice. You ever get that one moment where everything is quiet and you can almost pretend the whole world is normal? Like no alarms, no one yelling Spider-Man from a dark alley. Just sunrise and a pink castle. Yeah, this is my little ritual. Come up here, breathe, start the day right, and then go back down there and pretend I have my life together. Okay, one more minute before Mr. Stark calls me. Wait. Oh wow. Hi. How long have you been there? Because I'm gonna be honest, I thought I was having a private moment. You know, quiet, recharging. Definitely not vlogging. This is a lot of people for this hour. Okay, quick question. Are you recruits? Because if this is the new early morning hero training program, sorry, I didn't get the memo. Well, since you're here, welcome to the best sunrise spot in the neighborhood. I would invite you up here, but pretty sure we'd exceed the maximum capacity in like 4 seconds. Alright, I should go. This wasn't exactly part of the morning routine, but, you know, same time tomorrow? Kidding. But you know where to find me, if you're feeling heroic. Okay. Alright everyone, enjoy your day. And if anyone asks, I was never here. But if you happen to film in the next 10 seconds, I won't be mad about it. This is the cool part. Oh no.
Adventure Way. This morning, our first explorers are children from the Make-A-Wish charity. In just a few moments, it will be your turn to stroll down this magnificent avenue and discover the many new experiences of our reimagined second park. We wish you a wonderful day at Disney Adventure World. Thank you.
As the gates to Adventure Way and World of Frozen are now open, let us all together now walk down Adventure Way. You can see on both sides are cast members and also workers from Walt Disney Imagineering. And also many different characters from the different lands, like Mickey and Minnie from Adventure Way or Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story Playland. Here you can see a flag to commemorate this special moment. Let's now go into World of Frozen. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss anything new.